Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best JBL soundbars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Bose TV speaker. This soundbar is designed with simplicity in mind and excels at enhancing dialogue clarity, making it perfect for anyone who struggles with muffled voices in TV shows or movies. Its two angled, full-range drivers deliver a natural and wide sound profile, creating a more spatial audio experience. The compact design, standing at just over 2 inches tall, ensures it fits seamlessly in front of your TV or can be wall-mounted. The Bose TV speaker is easy to set up with HDMI ARC or optical audio connectivity, and its Bluetooth functionality allows for wireless streaming from up to 3 devices. The included remote control enables you to toggle between dialogue mode for clearer vocals and bass boost mode for deeper audio immersion. While the sound quality is impressive for its size, it lacks surround sound capabilities like Dolby Atmos or DTS:X, which might limit its appeal for home theater enthusiasts. Overall, the Bose TV speaker is best suited for users who prioritize dialogue clarity and simplicity in setup. Its compact form factor and versatility make it a great addition for smaller spaces or secondary TVs, although audiophiles may find its stereo output somewhat limiting for immersive movie experiences. Coming in at number 3 is the JBL Bar 2.0 All-in-One MK2. Designed as an entry-level soundbar, this model packs solid performance into a compact and affordable package. With JBL surround sound and Dolby Digital built in, it brings movies, sports, and music to life without requiring extra speakers or wires. The deep bass from its subwoofer enhances the intensity of action scenes and music playback, making it a versatile option for various entertainment needs. The low-profile design ensures that the Bar 2.0 fits effortlessly in front of your TV without obstructing the view. It's also equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet. With 80 watts of maximum output power, it's not the most powerful soundbar on the list, but it delivers clear and balanced audio for small to medium-sized rooms. While this soundbar lacks advanced features like Dolby Atmos or detachable speakers, its simplicity and affordability make it an excellent choice for casual listeners or individuals on a tighter budget. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that doesn't break the bank, the JBL Bar 2.0 MK2 is a reliable option that offers great value for its price. Taking the second spot is the JBL Bar 1000, a powerhouse soundbar that delivers true 7.1.4 channel surround sound with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support. This model features detachable surround speakers, giving you a real surround sound experience without the hassle of wires or additional power connections. The built-in multi-beam technology enhances the 3D surround sound effect, making it ideal for movie enthusiasts and gamers alike. Design-wise, the JBL Bar 1000 is robust yet stylish, and its 880 watts of total system power ensures room-filling audio that pulls you into the action. The included 10-inch wireless subwoofer delivers thrilling deep bass that adds extra drama to your favorite blockbusters. With Wi-Fi connectivity and support for streaming services like AirPlay, Alexa Multi-Room Music, and Chromecast, this soundbar offers a versatile listening experience for music lovers as well. However, this premium soundbar comes with a heavier price tag and might be overkill for smaller spaces or casual users. Additionally, its larger footprint may not suit those with limited room for setup. That said, for those seeking cinematic quality audio and advanced features in a single package, the JBL Bar 1000 is an excellent investment. Finally, at number 1 is the JBL Bar 300. This 5.0 channel soundbar strikes a perfect balance between affordability, performance, and advanced features. Equipped with Dolby Atmos and multi-beam technology, the Bar 300 delivers an immersive 3D surround sound experience without requiring additional speakers or wires. Its pure voice technology ensures crystal clear dialogue, even during scenes with intense surround effects, making it perfect for avid movie watchers. The Bar 300 also features HDMI connectivity with 4K pass-through, making it a seamless addition to any modern home theater setup. Its compact design allows it to fit effortlessly into any room layout, while the JBL One app ensures easy sound calibration to optimize the audio experience for your space. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi streaming capabilities, you can enjoy all your favorite music, podcasts, and internet radio stations with ease. While it doesn't include a dedicated subwoofer, the Bar 300's bass performance is surprisingly robust for its size. It's an excellent choice for consumers who want premium features like Dolby Atmos and multi-beam without stepping into higher price ranges. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or gaming, the JBL Bar 300 is a versatile and high-performing soundbar that earns its top spot in our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.